How about a Cadillack Coldster? This was sitting here a long time, but while my camera was dead, I resurrected this. It's a carburetor, so we'll go ahead and open it up here. Sweet. Let's see what year it is. I think it's a... Oh, Lord. It is a 90. 390s. 90 Cadillac. It smells like my Premier in here. Oh, and it is carbureted. So, stick the key in. Nice interior in here. And we'll start it up here. Okay, there we go. Digital tag. Maximum pumpage. Sweet. Just 3 pumps. Here we go. No gas. There you go. It's alive. Awesome. Awesome. Dash is telling us, like Dave says, we got problems. Have to take the gas, we're good to go. This Cadillac has dual exhaust. Now let's hear this here. Okay. Dual exhaust. One over there. So I resurrected this, and it took a while, but it started on its own power. So now I just started that maybe. Now I finally got my cam working again, so to make cold start video. And I also resurrected something else, which I didn't film because my camera wasn't working. But it's not running great yet, so when we get that better, hopefully I'll make another video starting that again. Right now the choke is on. It's got automatic choke, and we'll take that off right about now. And it died. So we'll pump it again and start it. This is Chevy or what here? Not running so great right now. Die again! Oh, you cranking workers are liking this. Alright. Pump it again. See you later.